Now, in case you're a little bit worried about question 8, let me just go back and show you question 8. I did change this, and I think I did put -3 in there as well. And I think I just made you find that value as well. So you might be thinking, oh, where's this? That's because I changed it for your test. And you will have seen the symmetry a lot better there. So question 9. It is all about place value, and really you've got to use place value for standard form. So standard form is all about a number between 1 and 10, so 3.56 is between 1 and 10, times by a power of 10. So this is like 3.56 times by 100,000. So it's all about moving numbers this way for timesing by 100,000, and this is dividing by 1,000, so it's going back the other way. So these are going to create big numbers, these are going to create small numbers. Now what you need to do is place 3.56 in the correct place value with the decimal point in the right place. And then times by 10 to the 5 means we're going to move everything 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 3 gets dragged through, the 5 gets pulled through with it, the 6 gets pulled through it, and 0's in the place in the gaps. So you should have got, for that one, 356,000. For this one, we're going to be moving the other way. So you're going to units, tenths, 5.64, and you're going to move everything 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4 get nudged there. 0's in the place, decimal point doesn't move. Should have been 0.00564. It's so important that you use place value. Those people who use the place value table to move everything, they got it right, they got it correct. Down here it's the same sort of thing, a little bit more challenging, so watch carefully. In a minute I've got to turn this into 3.45, which is the number between 1 and 10, times by 10 to the power of something. So we know it's going to be 3.45 because of the 3, 4 and 5. It needs to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to place this actual number in the right position. Do the noughts first and build my way up to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and then 3, 4, 5. So that is this number. We know we're going to write it as 3.45. So I know it's going to be 3.45. I've just got to decide how many places I'm going to pull the numbers through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be 3.45 times 10 to the power of 7. This is such an important step in terms of understanding. Same with the next one. I'm going to put 0.00078 in position. I know it's going to be 7.8 times 10 to the power. I know because it's a very small number, 0.00078, that this is going to be a negative number. And we need to put 7.8 in place and count how many places values there are different between the 7 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So it's going to be 7.8 times 10 to the 4. So 7.8 times 10 to the power of -4, sorry. Negative 4 because it's a small number.